The first step will be adjusting the up and down movement of the hinges. So if your door is too low or too high, just bring it to the same level as the top shelf and just tighten the screws. If you have 3 doors or 3 hinges or 2 hinges, that's what you want to do. The next thing, if your door is too far from the other door and the gap is too large, what I would do is I would screw in clockwise this screw, the first screw. As you can see, the door is coming closer. Now you see the gap is smaller. The last thing you want to do is, if your door is not swinging all the way out, that means that the hinge is too far in. That means that you have to undo the last screw. Open your door all the way out and then tighten this screw. What you just did was you pulled the hinge a little bit out, a little bit further out, and this would be the right amount of, the right distance from your cabinet. And now you can see on the side, right here on the side, you should have about this much clearance from your side panel. And this is how you would adjust your doors.